The Metropolitan St. Louis Sewer District, MSD, operates in an area that mainly comprises the city of St. Louis and St. Louis County. MSD's responsibilities include the interception, collection, and treatment of wastewater, as well as stormwater management. Because of the nature of MSD's services, the organization cannot shut off non-paying customers. On average, it collected 97% of its billings, and bad debts increased hand in hand with the increase of services offered by the organization. At one point, MSD's bad debts surpassed $3.5 million per year, which is a significant issue. To address this issue, MSD brought in a specialized external consulting firm to help it leverage analytics and data science to analyze and predict customer behavior. The consultancy firm hired by MSD is called Vertex, and it helped MSD analyze all facets of its credit and collection process: payment arrangements, payment options, collection agency management, and customer engagement. After a careful qualitative and numerical analysis, Vertex came up with a plan to reduce MSD's increasing bad debts through these initiatives: building a predictive analytics model which can indicate potentially delinquent clients who need targeted messaging and more paying options, proactive communications on behalf of MSD, allowing self-serving payment options to facilitate clients who have less time, paperless billing, which increases the enrollment in web self-service. The consultancy firm prepared a plan to collect money owed by customers who had not paid for the service in more than 5 years. These debts were assigned to a specialized debt collecting agency, which handles all legal procedures in exchange for a success percentage fee. The results obtained by MSD were impressive. The organization increased its collection of bad debts by 30% in a single year. This freed up significant capital because MSD reduced its balance sheet provision for bad debts by approximately 65%. The overall number of bad debtors dropped significantly too. So, what is the moral of the story? As with anything, the collection of bad debts requires attention and focus. And firms making concrete efforts in the right direction will see significant improvements not long after they start.